Students, we are going to discuss isomerism in alkanes, right? First of all, we must know what is meant by isomerism, right? Isomerism is a phenomena in which different organic molecules, they have same molecular formula, but they have different structural formulas, right? So we write the definition of isomerism, that is organic molecules which have same molecular formula but have different structural formulas. This phenomena is called isomerism. Right, students? Now the different structures which are formed, they are known as isomers of each other. It means isomers have same molecular formula. Different isomers have same molecular formula. We are going to discuss isomerism in alkanes. We must keep one thing in our mind, that is C12C3. That is single carbon alkane to 3 carbon alkanes. They have single unique structure. For example, methane CH4, ethane CH3 CH3, and propane CH3 CH2 CH3. Methane is a single carbon compound, single carbon alkane. Ethane consists of 2 carbon atoms and propane consists of 3 carbon atoms. So first 3 alkanes, that is methane, ethane and propane, they have single unique structure. Isomerism is started from butane, that is alkane having 4 carbon atoms. Let's see how many isomers are possible in the case of butane. For example, if we have a butane molecule having the molecular formula C4H10, this is butane. Now students, we will see how many isomers of butane are possible. The first isomer CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. How many total carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane, right? Since it is a straight chain compound, so how can we write its name? We write its name as N-butane. N-butane. N shows it is a straight chain compound, and but shows all the carbon atoms. We have total number of 4 carbon atoms. N shows all the 4 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. N-butane. Right? Now see what next structure is possible in N-butane. The second structure, number 2, CH3 CH CH3 CH3. Here count the total number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of carbon atoms are 4. But you can notice, students, there is a branch, right? So how can we write this its name? We must write iso. Iso shows there is a branch in the molecule. Isobutane, right? Iso shows there is a branch in the molecule. Butane shows total number of carbon atoms are 4 and they are connected with the help of single covalent bond. I hope this is clear. Let's see, students, how many isomers of pentane are possible. First of all, we will write the molecular formula for pentane. The molecular formula for pentane is C5H12. This is the molecular formula for pentane. Let's see how many structures are possible. The first structure, it is made up of 5 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of carbon atoms are 5, right? And it is a straight chain hydrocarbon. So before writing its name, we will write N. N shows it is a straight chain compound, a normal compound. Since total carbon atoms are 5, so it is N-pentane. N-pentane. Right, students? Now let's see what next structure is possible. Number 2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, students? Now here you can notice this is a compound which is made up of 5 carbon atoms, right? But here we have a branch. There is a branch. So before writing its name, we use the term iso. Iso shows there is a branch. Isopentane. Right, students? Pentane shows total number of carbon atoms are 5 connected with the help of single covalent bond. Now let's see what next structure is possible. Third structure, CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3. Now count the total number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear students, this is also pentane since it is made up of 5 carbon atoms, right? But this pentane is different from this as well as this pentane. How it is different from other structures? Here you can notice with this carbon atom we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alkyl radicals are attached with this carbon. Now, if all the 4 valencies of carbon are filled by alkyl radical, right, then before writing its name, we use the term neo. Neo shows all the 4 valencies of carbon atoms are filled by alkyl radicals, right? Neopentane. Pentane shows total number of carbon atoms are 5 and all are connected with the help of single covalent bond. Dear students, let's see one more example. For example, we have a molecule C6H14, that is hexane. Hexane, right? Let's see how many structure of hexane are possible. The first structure, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon atoms. Right, students? And it is a straight chain compound. So, before writing its name, we use the term N. Since total carbon atoms are 6, so it is N-hexane. N-hexane. Okay, let's see what next structure is possible. CH3, CH, here we made one branch, CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dear students, count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A compound made up of 6 carbon atoms, right? But here we have a branch. There is a branch in the structure, right? So before writing its name, we use the term iso. Iso shows there is a branch. Isohexane. Right? Now let's see one more structure.